we have our power supply attached, we have our drainage hose, and we have our hot water line attached and ready to go. Now before we get all those wires pushed and attached, we want to get this guy level. There are 4 feet on this on the bottom, so 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and they turn to adjust the height. So we want to get this level, front to back, side to side, so that it sits in this cavity nice and level. That way it drains properly and also looks nice. So what we're going to do is get this guy back out, put it on its side, and get all the feet level. But before I do that, what we want to do is take our measuring tape and measure the height between the bottom of the counter and the top of this. And that way we can just take that, whatever that measurement is, to the bottom of the feet, and that will be a nice baseline to get this ready to go and fit in. Alright, so the height needed was 2 1/4 inches. So basically it's pretty easy just to get your screwdriver in there to loosen it up, and your tape measure there. So it's about where we want her. Same this one here. Love. Alright, we have our bubble level here. Now this is going to give us a nice barometer of where our dishwasher sits. This guy is actually sitting perfectly level left to right.